In this video, we'll be telling about WhatsApp community feature, how to create WhatsApp community and how to use WhatsApp community. Normally in WhatsApp, we used to create some groups, but some of you may be admins of many groups. So managing these groups will be difficult. So if you are creating a community and if there is any important announcements and if you want to send common message to every group, you can create community, and if you are sending that message in community, every members in every group will receive that message. Anyways, to create WhatsApp community, what you need to do is take your smartphone and open WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp application, down here you can see communities option. Click on this communities. When you are clicking on that, you can see a page like this. If you have not created any community, you can see a different page. In this page, here you can see new community option. Click on new community. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you need to enter community name. For example, I am entering one name, and above you can see change photo. If you want to add profile photo, click on this change photo and you can add profile photo from here. Anyways, after that, down here you can see next button. Click on this next button and you can see creating community. Now community is created. Now we need to add some groups to this community. To add groups, down here you can see add group option. Click on add group. When you are clicking on that, you can see a page like this. Here you can see one option, add existing groups. Click on this. When you are clicking on that, you can see every groups which you are an admin. From here, you can select the groups which you want to add to this community. For example, I am selecting 2 groups. After that, down here you can see next button. Click on this next button. When you are clicking on that, that groups will be added to this community. You can add up to 51 groups in a community. Now, if you want to send any message, what you need to do is go back. And when you are going back, in first page you can see this community. Click on that community and here you can see announcements. Click on announcements. I am typing one message and sending this message. When you are sending this message, that message will be received in this community. Everyone can see that message in that community section. If they are opening that community in announcements, they can see that message. And if you want to add new members to this community, what you can do is down here you can see add group option. Click on add group and after that click on add existing groups, and when you are clicking on that, here you can see every groups which you are an admin. From here you can select that group and add to this community. And if you want to add members, what you can do is again go to this community. Above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. Here you can see community info option. Click on community info. Here you can see 2 options, invite and members. You can select any of the options. For example, I am selecting invite. When you are selecting invite option, you can see so many options. Here you can see send link via WhatsApp. If you want to send this community link via WhatsApp, click on this and you can share this community link via WhatsApp. If they are clicking, they can enter this community. After that, copy link option is there. After copying, you can paste it anywhere, and share link option is also there. By clicking on this, you can share this link through other platforms also. And QR code option is also there. You can join this community by scanning this QR code, and reset link option is there. If you want to reset this link, you can do that also. When you are clicking on this reset link option, this community link will change. Persons with old link cannot join this community. If you want to remove any group or members from this community, what you can do is click on these 3 dots. Again click on manage groups. And when you are clicking on that, you can see every groups. Near every group, you can see one into mark. Click on this into mark. And if you want to remove that group, just click on remove. When you are clicking on that, that group will be removed from this community. So this way you can use communities feature in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.